السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. معكم أستاذ نورة صالح مهدي من ثانوية العميد للبنات مجموعة العميد التعليمية العتبة العباسية المقدسة. Hello my students, how are you? I hope that you are fine. Today we are going to have Unit 6, Lesson 2. Our subject for today is two jobs. Now my students, please open your students book on page 63. Read the two paragraphs. Find the words in the blue box and match them to their meanings. Now, first of all, we will read the two paragraphs, then we will match the words with their meanings. Dr. Selwa works in a hospital. She takes care of sick people and makes them better. She is very hardworking. She usually works 8 hours a day, but she sometimes has to work 12 hours. At school, she was very clever and good in all subjects. After school, she went to university. She had to study for 6 years. She likes being a doctor because in this job she can help people. Now we will have the second paragraph. Hanan is an office manager. She answers phone calls and she sends and receives emails on a computer. She usually works every day from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. but she sometimes has to work in the afternoon. Sometimes she has to go to different countries. Her best subjects at school were mathematics and English. After school, she went to college to study business administration. She had to study for 4 years. She enjoys her job because she meets a lot of different people. She also enjoys traveling. Now we have two boxes, the first one for words and the second one for the meanings of these words. So now we will have number 1, hardworking means C, the opposite of lazy. Number 2, university, college. B, places to study. Number 3, to study means D, to spend time learning about something. Number 4, subjects. A, things you learn at school. And the last one, number 5, clever. E, quick to learn and understand. Thank you. Dear students, please open your activity book on page 79. As you can see, we will have lesson 2, exercise A. Read page 63 of your student's book and make notes. As you can see, we have questions about the doctor and the office manager. So we will answer these questions as notes. Where she works? In a hospital, in an office. What she does? The doctor takes care of sick people and makes them better. The office manager answers phone calls, sends and receives emails, goes to other countries. How long she usually works? The doctor 8 hours a day and the office manager from 8 to 2 o'clock, 6 hours a day. Where she studied? The doctor, university, and the office manager, college. How long she had to study? The doctor 6 years and the office manager 4 years. Thank you so much. Now we will have exercise B. Check your notes with your partner. use the headlines in the table to make a question like this. For example, where she works. So, where does she works? Okay. Now we will have what she does. What does she do? So I put the verb without s third person. How long she usually works? How long she usually works? So when I want to change it, how long does she work? I put the verb without s third person because I used the auxiliary does. Where she studied. Now I have past tense. When I want to make a question, I will use did. Where did she study? Study. I put verb without past tense because I used the auxiliary verb did, which refer to past tense. How long she had to study. How long she had to study. How long did she have to study? I changed had to into have to because I use auxiliary verb did, which refer to past tense. Thank you so much. Now we will have exercise to write the questions. Our teacher's sister is a nurse called Nadia. Last week she came to our school and we asked her about her job. What questions did we ask?
Unit 6, Lesson 2. Track 37. Listen and check your answers.
Where do you work? I work at the Red Crescent Hospital. Do you have to wear a uniform at work? Yes, I have to wear a uniform at work. Do you like your job? Yes, I like my job very much. How long do you have to work? Oh, I usually have to work 10 hours a day. Is it hard work? Yes, it's very hard work, but I like taking care of sick people. How long did you have to study? I had to study for 4 years. Do you want to be a doctor? No, I don't want to be a doctor. I love my job. How many people do you see every day? Every day? Oh, I usually see about 40 or 50 people every day.
Dear students, this is your evaluation. Put these two words in 2 sentences. University, to study. Please try to use these 2 words, okay? And put them into sentences. Please try. Thank you. I am student in a university. I am student in a university. I have to study for the test. I have to study for the test. Thank you. Now this is your homework. Why does Selwa like to be a doctor? Why does Selwa like to be a doctor? Thank you. Now we finished. I hope that you have benefited from this lesson. Thank you for watching and good luck.